Hi all, I am Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal, making videos for those of us over the age of 30 watching stuff here on YouTube. And today it is my everyday makeup drawer. Before we get into it, I have no clue if the mic is going to pick it up, but there is like a 90-year-old man who lives a couple doors down from me, and he blares his television, and I have the windows closed, I have everything shut, and I can still hear his TV. I don't know if you can. Also, the people downstairs got a puppy and it cries all the time. So, if you hear weird whining sounds, that's not my dog, that's their dog. Now that the disclaimers are done, let's get into my everyday makeup drawer for February. I almost said March. What in the world? Why am I trying to make time pass faster? So, starting off, I am using, oh, it's over here. I am using the Tarte Silk Canvas. I have been using this in January because that Rimmel one was terrible. So I've already made a solid dent in that, if you can see. We'll see how long it lasts. I don't know. Oh, I'm about to fall off the chair. You guys, this is going great so far. So far I think it's good. I've been using it about 3 weeks. I think it's good. I don't think it's like the insanity that people made it out to be when it first came out on YouTube. I mean, people acted like this was the most life-changing thing. I will be honest, if I paid $50 for the full size back when that happened, I would not be happy. Okay, I'm pairing, it's like a high-low outfit. I'm pairing my expensive primer with my $4.69 foundation. So I'm still using the the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Is it my favorite foundation in the world? No, but does it get the job done? Yes, and the color matches me right now. So I like to use what I have. I'm finishing that. We'll see how long it lasts because I do feel like I have to use a lot of it every day. And then I forgot to say this, still using the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm just under my eyes. Y'all, I'm making a dent. It's to here now. So it was up here, it's to here. So we're getting through it. Same with my Maybelline Age Rewind. I mean, this lasts forever, but I'm down to here. So I think I'm gonna finish it this month. I already have something else ready to go. Concealer this month is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. It's both for under eye and any like imperfections to cover up. And still working through my shadow insurance. I think this might be the month. The February empties might be quite the empties video. Okay, other cream products. Still working through the never-ending Tarte blush. It's bonkers. But because that color isn't always what I want, I am also using a little mini Cashew Bite multi-stick. Continuing on with the Anastasia, Becca. This is the Becca Champagne Pop, the liquid one. So down to here, feel like I'm making improvements, that's exciting. And then just because it's in this drawer, even though it's not what I would put in at this point, because I normally do them in order, still using the It Universal Brow. This will stay in until it's gone. So powder this month is still Too Faced Born This Way. It will stay the powder until it's gone. Because my skin tone is still pretty light, I am still using my Butter Bronzer since I bought the light formula, which I will not do again. I want the dark, but I don't know if you can tell, but there's like an indent. I'm making progress. Blush. Did you hear the dog? NYX Sweet Cheeks. Continuing on with this. Then for eyes, a controversial choice. I'm going with my White Peach palette this month. I bought this exactly a year ago. I want to make more progress. Like, there are dents in this. They're just not strong enough to see on camera, but I want to make a lot more progress. So this is going to be heavily used this month. Other eye things. So I am using the Tarteist Lash Paint. I have it on today. I'm really impressed by it. So I'm enjoying this. I might also try it with the Lash Paradise Primer just because I already opened it. I need to start using that. For eyeliner, I want to use more of my Marc Jacobs in this navy. However, the fact that I chose, now you know what, we're gonna change that. It won't go with the white peach. I am going to use my Rimmel Wonder Ombre, but I don't do the ombre. This is the, I don't even know if they sell these now. It came out last year. I don't think it did well. These are those ones that it's a white, like metallic on one end and then a color on the other. I bought this just because I want the purple. And I like Rimmel eyeliners. So I'm gonna use that, and then the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liner on my waterline. And I am also still using, because I think I'll finish both this month, the Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Mascara, because I'm obsessed, because I love it. R.I.P. Kevin. And then, depending on how this goes today, because this is the first day I'm really going to pay attention to this Tartist, if it's going to need some waterproof top coat, my NYX waterproof. And lastly, last two face things other than lips. I always do lips separate because I don't normally do those sitting here. So I am going back to my little Hourglass Dim Light. I'm not going to use the Edit Unlock this month. I'm just going to use my Dim Light Mini. I have worked a pretty good dent in it. I want to see how far it goes this month. And then I finished my Morphe spray. So I am on to the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now I have it on today. I do think it makes you look dewy. It is a super fine mist. It kind of smells like rice vinegar. There is something rice in this, which makes sense because it's a Japanese product. Like they use a lot of, they use rice in a lot of things. Like rice wines, rice vinegars, all those things are used a lot in products. So it kind of has a smell of that, but it dissipates really fast. I've been impressed. Like, I'm actually pretty shocked, but I didn't expect to love this, and I'm really liking it. Now, granted, it's only like third day using it, so we'll see how it goes, but so far, so good. Thumbs up from me. Then, just so you know, kind of the main lips I'm using, at least when I get ready in the morning, these don't always come in my bag. Today, I am using, so this is one of them. It's 3 different colors. The Bite Glacé. This was the Sephora birthday gift last year. I have it on today. I love this color. I have it with, because the color itself didn't quite go with the eye, and I'm still not quite sure the blush eye lip goes together today, but we'll see. I have it with the Celeste from Buxom, which is kind of corally. You wouldn't think those two go together, but it goes okay. Then I'm also using the Made in Italy Lip Story. It's the nude one. I used it in the date night video. I will try and find a comparable one from Lip Stories because this was part of that holiday set. And then I am also using this Marc Jacobs lip, what is it called? It's called Lamarck Liquid Lip Crayon. It's in Plum and Get It. So it is this bright, I love these. I actually like this kind of color. I think it works on me. It is the strangest formula. It goes on, because it's liquid lip matte, but it's a crayon. It goes on so smooth and nice, but then it dries down. It is a little dry. Once it's dry, there's a little bit of a metallic. It gives me vibes of like this hard candy metallic lipstick I had in high school. I enjoyed. So I tend to put a gloss over it. And that gloss I just got in my Ipsy, because if you remember, Ipsy makes it super hard to cancel, so I had to delay it 3 months instead of canceling, and I forgot to then delay again, and so I ended up getting a January bag. And this came in it, this fluid lip gloss that has a slight blue tint, but on your lip it doesn't show like that. I love a clear gloss, so I put this over this. Okay. So that is it. I blazed through it for you. Everything will be listed in the description box below if you're like, huh, what was that thing she talked about? But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.